This is one thing that I think that you should be able to do and do well to be able to up your game to the next level. And it's taking a deep breath. It might sound simple, but it's super effective, and it's something that's changed the way that I am able to overcome obstacles, stressful situations. So like before, I get all cranked up, not think it through, not see all the angles. But after taking a deep breath, usually I can consider a couple things that'll help me climb that obstacle before I start doing it, or as I'm doing it, to back down and then keep climbing higher. So taking a deep breath has really helped me be able to tackle things that I'm tackling. It might be able to help you get over obstacles that you're trying to tackle. And you can probably find a video on YouTube or Google, or in my YouTube set of videos on how to breathe to overcome obstacles and keep climbing.